Today we're learning how to tie a tautline hitch. Step 1, take your tail, wrap it around your anchor. Step 2, take your tail and make a loop around your standing end, just like this. Make at least one more loop. So now you have 2 loops. If you want to add more friction to this knot, you can add as many loops as you like. I'm just going to throw a third one on here. And to lock it off, make another loop on the other end and bring your tail inside the loop and pull it tight. When you're done, it should look something like this. Now I can slide this knot either direction to loosen it or to tighten it as much as I want. This is a really useful knot for making A-frame tarp shelters or any other kind of line where you need to adjust the tension. Follow for more.